My salam to you. First of all, you, Red Rose, welcome to you. My introduction, I am Jasimuddin Dhali, Assistant Head Teacher, English, Satkola ML High School, Datkendi Kumilla. Subject, English, second paper, class 8. Today I shall discuss with you parts of speech. We know that parts of speech is the mother of English, because we know that elaborate parts of speech, any person, he or they will be gain about grammar topics, all grammar topics. Objectives, by the after the lesson, the students will be able to define parts of speech, tell the name of parts of speech, give examples of parts of speech, identify different kinds of parts of speech from sentences. Look at the words. He, can you say he is a very good boy? Can you say this sentence, read out? Look at the sentence. He is a very good boy. Can you say he, which parts of speech he? Parts of speech. Kinds of parts of speech. Do you know how many kinds of parts of speech? I said to you, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. First of, I said to you, or I discussed with you, nouns. Person, place, thing, idea. First person, next place, place, thing, idea, thing, person, place, pronouns. A word used in place of noun. A word in place of noun. I, you, she, I, he, it. They are all pronouns. We, you, they. We know that they are personal pronouns. Next, verbs. Shows action. Play, sing, read, write, walk, work. They are verbs. Links as a subject to another word in sentence. Verbs. Links subject to another word in the sentence. Is, are, was, were, am, been. They are link verbs. They are link verbs. Another, smell, look, taste, remain, feel. They are main verbs. Adjective. Adjectives describes a noun or pronoun. Beautiful, nice, small, tall, bad, good, one, two, some, many, etc. What can you see in beautiful? Sunset, beautiful sunset. Adverbs describes verb, adjective, another adverb. Brightly, nicely, very well, how, where, why, etc. What can you see in this picture? Shining brightly. Shining brightly. Relates a noun or pronoun to another word in the sentence. Of, to, in, into, by, in front of, etc. Pronoun, prepositions of, to, in, into. Look at what can you see in the picture. You can see in front of the cow. Interjections, word or phrase. Alas, word or phrase used to express strong emotion or surprise. Interjection, alas, hurrah, whoosh, oh, bravo, etc. What can you see in this picture? What can you see in this picture? How nice. Conjunctions connects words or individual groups of words. And, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. Either or, neither nor. What can you see in this picture? Can you say water, rocks? Water, rocks. Hello, water and rocks. To connect words and evaluation. Give examples of nouns and pronouns. Write down your khatas. Give example of adjectives and adverbs. Write down your khatas. Give example of verbs. Write down your khatas. Give examples, interjection and conjunctions. Home task. Identify the parts of speech following the sentence. Write their kinds. The birds are singing sweetly. Mina and Rina are now in the classroom. What nice a flower the rose is. She is my cousin. That is our house. This is your home task. Thanks of all you. Today I shall finish my class. Thank you. See you again next class.